잭과 콩나무, Jack and the Beanstalk. 그린랜턴 홈페이지를 방문하시면 책 읽기 영상 시청 후 풀어볼 수 있는 학습지, 퀴즈, 책 원본 PDF를 보실 수 있어요. 홈페이지에서 국가별로 나뉜 더 많은 동화책을 만나보아요. 동영상 아래의 더보기를 누르면 홈페이지로 바로 이동 가능합니다. Visit the Green Lantern website to access worksheets and quizzes you can try after watching the Read Aloud videos, full PDF versions of the original books. Explore even more folktale books from different countries on our website. Click See More below the video to go directly to the website. You can also find the book purchase links in the See More section below the video. 어느 시골 마을에 엄마와 단둘이 사는 잭이라는 아이가 있었어요. 잭과 엄마는 젖소에 우유를 팔아 겨우 먹고 살았지요. 그런데 시간이 흘러 젖소가 늘자 더 이상 우유를 팔 수 없게 되었어요. 집에 먹을 것이 다 떨어지자 엄마는 잭에게 말했죠. 잭, 시장에 가서 젖소를 팔아오렴. In a quiet little village, there lived a boy named Jack with his mother. They barely got by selling milk from their old cow, but as time went on, the cow grew too old to give milk anymore. When they finally ran out of food, Jack's mother said to him, Jack, take the cow to the market and sell her. 젖소를 끌고 시장에 가던 잭은 낯선 할아버지를 만났어요. 얘야, 이 공과 젖소를 바꾸지 않겠니? 이 공은 줄기가 하늘까지 자라나는 마법의 공이란다. 잭은 신기한 마음에 젖소와 콩을 바꿨죠. On his way to the market, Jack came across a strange old man. The man smiled and said, Young man, how about a trade? Give me your cow, and I'll give you these magic beans. They'll grow all the way up to the sky. Curious and excited, Jack agreed and handed over the cow in exchange for the beans. 집에 돌아온 잭은 엄마에게 콩을 보여주었어요. 엄마, 젖소를 이 마법의 콩과 바꾸었어요. 줄기가 하늘까지 자라는 신기한 콩이래요. 뭐라고? 귀한 젖소를 겨우 콩 몇 알과 바꾸었다고? When Jack got home, he excitedly showed his beans to his mother. Mom, I traded the cow for these magic beans. The man said they'll grow all the way up to the sky. What? His mother cried. You traded our only cow for a handful of beans? 다음날 아침 잭은 창밖을 보고 깜짝 놀랐어요. 정말로 공이 쑥쑥 자라 줄기가 하늘까지 닿아 있었거든요. 저 위에는 무엇이 있을까? 잭은 콩나무 위에 무엇이 있을지 궁금해서 참을 수 없었어요. 그래서 콩나무를 타고 위로 올라가기 시작했죠. The next morning, Jack looked out the window and gasped. The beans had really grown tall and thick, stretching all the way up into the sky. I wonder what's up there, he thought. Jack's curiosity got the better of him, and without a second thought, he began to climb the beanstalk, higher and higher into the clouds. 콩나무 꼭대기에는 어마어마하게 큰 집이 있었어요. 그 집에는 거인 아주머니가 살고 있었지요. 잭을 본 거인 아주머니는 깜짝 놀라 말했어요. 꼬마야, 어서 돌아가렴. 내 남편은 너 같은 어린아이를 잡아먹는단다. 바로 그때였어요. 쿵쾅쿵쾅 거인 아저씨의 발걸음 소리가 들리는 거예요. 거인 아주머니는 재빨리 잭을 오븐 속에 숨겨주었죠. At the very top of the beanstalk, Jack found a massive house, so big it seemed built for the giants. Living there was a giant woman who was startled to see him. Oh my goodness, child, you must leave right away, she whispered. My husband eats little boys like you for breakfast. Just then, the ground began to shake, thud, 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 as the giant's heavy footsteps approached. Without a moment to lose, the giant woman quickly hid Jack inside the oven to keep him safe. 집에 들어온 거인 아저씨가 코를 벌름거리며 말했어요. 공중 어디서 맛있는 어린아이 냄새가 나는 것 같은데 제가 차린 음식 냄새예요. 어서 먹어요. 거인 아저씨는 우걱우걱 거인 아주머니가 만든 음식을 모두 먹어치웠어요. 밥을 다 먹은 거인 아저씨는 식탁 위에 금화를 세웠지요. 그러다 꾸벅꾸벅 졸기 시작했어요. 그 사이에 잭은 금화 한 자루를 들고 살금살금 도망쳤지요. The giant came stomping into the house, sniffing the air suspiciously. I smell something delicious. Smells like a little boy, he growled. It's just the food I cooked, his wife said quickly. Now sit down and eat. The giant gobbled up the meal in huge bites, barely pausing to chew. After he finished eating, he pulled out a sack of gold coins and began counting them on the table. But soon his eyes grew heavy and he started to nod off. While the giant was dozing, Jack quickly crept out of the oven, grabbed one sack of gold and tiptoed away. 엄마는 잭이 가져온 금화 자루를 보고 눈이 휘둥그레졌어요. 잭과 엄마는 구마 덕분에 배불리 먹고 편하게 지낼 수 있었죠. 그러던 어느 날 잭은 거인의 집에 또 무엇이 있을지 궁금해졌어요. 잭은 또다시 콩나물을 타고 하늘로 올라갔죠. When Jack showed his mother the sack of gold coins, her eyes went wide with surprise. Thanks to the gold, Jack and his mother were finally able to eat well and live comfortably. But one day, Jack couldn't stop wondering what other treasures might be in the giant's house. His curiosity got the best of him once again, and he climbed back up the beanstalk into the sky. 절구통이 잭이 거인의 집에 몰래 숨어 들어갔을 때 거인 아저씨는 식탁 의자에 앉아 있었어요. 거인 아저씨는 식탁 위에 암탉을 놀려놓고 큰 소리로 말했죠. 황금알을 낳거라! 그러자 신기하게도 암탉이 황금알을 쑥 낳는 거예요. 거인 아저씨는 돋보기를 꺼내 황금알을 하나하나 살펴보았어요. 잭은 숨죽이며 그 모습을 지켜보았지요. Another time when Jack sneaked back into the giant's house, he saw the giant sitting at a table once again. This time the giant placed a hand on the table and shouted, "Lay me a golden egg." To Jack's amazement, the hand immediately laid a shiny golden egg. The giant took out a magnifying glass and carefully inspected each gleaming egg. Hidden nearby, Jack watched silently, barely daring to breathe. 조금 뒤 거인 아저씨는 또 고개를 꾸벅거리다가 잠들었어요. 그 사이 잭은 암탉을 들고 호다닥 도망쳤죠. 집에 돌아온 잭이 암탉을 보며 말했어요. 황금알을 낳아라! 그러자 암탉이 황금알을 쑥쑥 낳았지요. 엄마는 황금알을 보고 뛸 듯이 기뻐했어요. A little while later, a giant began to nod off again and soon fell asleep. Seizing the chance, Jack grabbed the hand and dashed out of the house as fast as he could. When he got home, Jack looked at the hand and said, "Lay me a golden egg." And just like before, the hen laid one, then another shiny golden egg. Jack's mother was overjoyed when she saw the golden eggs. She could hardly believe her eyes. 다음 날에도 잭은 콩나물을 타고 하늘로 올라갔어요. 때마침 거인 아저씨가 낮잠을 자르고 소파에 누워 있었죠. 거인 아저씨는 탁자 위에 있는 황금 하프를 향해 말했어요. 하프야, 노래를 불러라. 그러자 놀랍게도 황금 하프가 아름다운 노래를 부르지 뭐예요. The next day, Jack climbed up the beanstalk once again. This time, the giant was just lying down on the couch for his afternoon nap. Before drifting off to sleep, he looked toward the golden harp on the table and said, "Sing me a song." To Jack's amazement, the golden harp began to play beautiful music all on its own. 거인 아저씨가 노래를 듣다 잠이 들자 잭은 황금 하프를 들고 살금살금 도망쳤어요. 그런데 그때 황금 하프가 크게 소리쳤지요. 도둑이야! 깜짝 놀라 잭 잠에서 깬 거인 아저씨가 씩씩대며 잭을 쫓아왔어요. 잭이 콩나물을 타고 내려가자 거인 아저씨도 따라 내려갔지요. As the giant drifted off to sleep, lured by the harp's song, Jack quietly crept forward, picked up the golden harp, and started to sneak away. But just then, the harp cried out in a loud voice, "Thief! Thief!" The giant woke with a start and, furious, jumped onto his feet, began chasing Jack, who was already scrambling down the beanstalk. Without hesitation, the giant started climbing down after him. 거인 아저씨보다 먼저 땅에 내려온 잭은 서둘러 도끼를 찾았어요. 그리고는 도끼로 콩나물을 힘껏 찍었지요. 콩나무가 쓰러지자 거인 아저씨도 땅에 떨어지고 말았어요. 그 뒤 잭과 엄마는 암탉과 황금 하프를 가지고 어려운 사람들을 도와주며 행복하게 살았답니다. Jack reached the ground just before the giant and quickly grabbed an axe. With all his strength, he began to chop down the beanstalk. Crack! The beanstalk snapped and came crashing down, and the giant fell with it, never to be seen again. From that on, Jack and his mother lived happily with the magic hand and the golden harp. They shared their fortune with those in need and never went hungry again. 그린랜턴 홈페이지를 방문하시면 책 읽기 영상 시청 후 풀어볼 수 있는 학습지, 퀴즈, 책 원본 PDF를 보실 수 있어요. 홈페이지에서 국가별로 나뉜 더 많은 동화책들을 만나보아요. 동영상 아래에 더보기를 누르면 홈페이지로 바로 이동 가능합니다. Visit the Green Lantern website to access worksheets and quizzes you can try after watching the Read Aloud videos. For PDF versions of the original books, explore even more folktale books from different countries on our website. Click See More below the video to go directly to the website. You can also find the book to purchase linked in the See More section below the video.